We all want more energy, whether it's to get through a busy workday, take on household chores, or simply have the energy to enjoy some downtime. But let's face it, many of us rely on caffeine, sugar, or energy drinks to try to push through fatigue. While these quick fixes might provide a temporary boost, they often come with a major energy crash afterward. The key to lasting energy doesn't lie in quick fixes, it's about building sustainable habits that nurture both your body and mind in the long term. In today's video, we'll dive into 7 daily habits that will help you naturally boost your energy levels without resorting to artificial stimulants. These habits are simple, yet powerful, and backed by scientific research. Incorporating them into your daily routine will not only help you feel more awake and alert, but also promote better overall health and well-being. If you're tired of relying on coffee and energy drinks, keep watching to learn how you can recharge your body naturally with small, consistent changes. 1. Drink water first thing in the morning. When you wake up in the morning, your body has just gone through hours of sleep without any fluid intake. As a result, it is naturally dehydrated. Dehydration is one of the biggest culprits behind low energy levels. By drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning, you instantly rehydrate your body, kickstart your metabolism, and get your internal systems running smoothly. Water is essential for nutrient absorption, digestion, and maintaining healthy cellular function, so it's important to hydrate early in the day. Drinking water first thing also helps boost your brain function. Many people don't realize that dehydration can cause brain fog and lack of focus, making it harder to concentrate and stay productive. By hydrating your body, you're not only replenishing your fluid levels but also improving your cognitive performance for the day ahead. To get even more benefits, consider adding a squeeze of lemon or a pinch of sea salt to your water. The vitamin C from the lemon and the minerals in the salt help boost your immune system and support hydration, giving you an even better energy boost. 2. Eat a protein-packed breakfast. Breakfast is often considered the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. What you eat in the morning plays a critical role in maintaining your energy levels throughout the day. A protein-packed breakfast, in particular, is key for keeping your blood sugar stable and preventing the mid-morning energy slump. Foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, lean meats, or plant-based proteins like tofu and legumes provide your body with the building blocks it needs to maintain energy and focus. These protein-rich foods are digested slowly, providing a steady release of energy without causing a spike and crash in your blood sugar levels. In addition to stabilizing your blood sugar, protein is also essential for muscle repair and growth. If you're physically active, a protein-rich breakfast helps your body repair muscles after exercise, enabling better recovery and more sustained energy throughout the day. When you combine protein with healthy fats, such as avocado, and fiber-rich foods, like fruits, vegetables, or whole grains, you create a well-rounded meal that fuels both your body and brain. A balanced breakfast will not only keep you energized but also help you feel fuller for longer, preventing overeating or snacking on unhealthy foods. 3. Get moving with morning exercise. It might sound counterintuitive, but getting up and moving in the morning is one of the best ways to increase your energy levels. Physical activity increases blood flow, which brings oxygen and essential nutrients to your muscles and brain. As your heart rate increases, your circulation improves, and your body releases endorphins, your natural mood boosters. These endorphins help lift your mood, reduce stress, and ultimately leave you feeling energized and ready to take on the day. Morning exercise doesn't have to be intense. A quick 10 to 20 minute workout, a brisk walk, or some light yoga can do wonders for your energy. These short bursts of activity stimulate your metabolism and wake up your muscles, preparing you for a productive day ahead. Additionally, starting the day with physical movement helps improve your long-term energy levels. As you build strength and endurance over time, your body becomes better at managing energy, and you'll feel less fatigued as the day progresses. So, whether you prefer yoga, stretching, or a morning jog, moving your body first thing can set the tone for an energized day. 4. Take regular breaks throughout the day. When you're working or going about your daily tasks, it's easy to get caught up in the flow and push through without taking breaks. However, working for long periods without rest can lead to burnout and drained energy. Taking regular breaks is crucial to maintaining your energy levels throughout the day. Studies have shown that taking short breaks, every 45 minutes to an hour, helps improve focus, reduce stress, and prevent fatigue. By stepping away from your desk or taking a quick walk around the house, you give your body and mind a chance to recharge. During these breaks, don't just sit there scrolling through your phone. Get up, stretch, and move around to stimulate circulation. Light movement helps reduce muscle stiffness and combats the fatigue that comes from sitting for long periods. If you work from home or in an office, set a timer to remind yourself to take breaks. This can be especially helpful for those who tend to get absorbed in their work and forget to step away. Regular breaks are an essential habit for keeping your energy high and staying focused throughout the day. So, don't skip them. Your body will thank you. 5. Prioritize sleep and establish a sleep schedule. It's no surprise that sleep is one of the most important factors when it comes to energy. Quality sleep is crucial for brain function, immune system health, and overall energy levels. Without sufficient sleep, you're more likely to feel tired, irritable, and sluggish. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, and establishing a consistent sleep schedule is key. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to wake up feeling refreshed and energized. But it's not just about the number of hours you sleep, it's about the quality of your sleep. A restful night of sleep allows your body to go through important repair processes and strengthens your immune system. To improve sleep quality, try creating a bedtime routine that signals to your body it's time to wind down. Avoid screens and bright lights at least an hour before bed, and try to keep your bedroom cool and quiet. Sleep plays a vital role in recharging your energy, so prioritize it as a key part of your daily routine for better overall health. 6. Consume energy-boosting foods while staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep are essential for maintaining energy. The foods you eat also play a significant role in how energized you feel. Some foods are naturally packed with nutrients that fuel your body and provide lasting energy throughout the day. For instance, foods high in complex carbohydrates like whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, and oats release energy slowly, helping keep you energized without blood sugar spikes or crashes. Healthy fats, such as those found in nuts, seeds, and avocados, provide lasting fuel and help maintain mental clarity. 7. Manage stress effectively. Stress is an energy killer. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, the hormone responsible for the fight or flight response. While this is important in short bursts, chronic stress leads to energy depletion, disrupted sleep, and impaired immune function. Managing stress is key to maintaining high energy levels. Simple practices like deep breathing, mindfulness, and meditation can help lower cortisol levels and keep your stress in check. And there you have it, 7 simple yet effective daily habits that will help you naturally boost your energy levels and stay vibrant throughout the day. By drinking more water, eating a protein-packed breakfast, getting active in the morning, taking breaks, prioritizing sleep, eating the right foods, and managing stress, you can keep your energy high and your body healthy. These habits are easy to incorporate into your routine and will help you feel more awake, alert, and productive every day. Scroll down and check the link. You might discover something your routine has been missing. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on living a healthy, energized life. Keep shining and stay energized.